is a for loop? The for statement creates a loop that is executed as long as a condition is true. The loop will continue to run as long as the condition is true. It will only stop when the condition becomes false. JavaScript supports different kinds of loops, for loops through a block of code a number of times.
So essentially, a for loop is going to run a block of code every single time it loops through, and it's going to loop a number of times that you ask it to.
Okay, so here's an example. So I have a loop. I'm going to ask it to run 3 times. The function that I want the loop to perform is put the orange in the box. So I've got 1, 2, 3. That's it. For loop stops because I specified 3 times. I have 5 oranges, computer doesn't care. 3 times I told it to perform the action, it performed the action 3 times. That's a for loop, right?
Absolutely.